Question 42. The table shows the future values of an annuity of $1 for different interest rates for 4, 5, and 6 years. The contributions are made at the end of each year. And that's very important to note that one. An annuity account is opened and contributions of $2,000 are made at the end of each year for 7 years. For the first 6 years, the interest rate is 4% per annum, compounded annually. For the 7th year, however, the interest rate increases to 5% per annum, compounded annually. So calculate the amount in the account immediately after the 7th contribution is made. Now, just thinking about it, 7 contributions of $2,000, our answer's got to be over $14,000. Okay, so just think about that for a moment. Now, the other thing as well is that for the first 6 years, the interest rate is 4% per annum. So according to our table, we're going to use the last row and the last column, which is this number here, and we're going to multiply that by 2,000 to get the value of our annuity after 6 years, because the 7th year, the interest rate changes to 5% per annum, but it's only 1 year's worth of interest, so we're going to treat that separately and treat it as regular compound interest. Okay, so let's work out the value of the annuity after 6 years. Okay, and that's going to be equal to the contribution, which is $2,000, multiplied by the multiplication or the factor that we're going to multiply by from the table, assuming we chose the correct one, which is going to be 6.633. Okay, and multiplying all that together. Okay, so 2,000 multiplied by 6.633. And we get $13,266. $13,266. Now we need to work out the value of the annuity after the 7th year. But the 7th year, the interest rate changes. So value of annuity after 7 years is equal to whatever we had gotten in the first 6 years, so that's going to be 13,266 multiplied by 1 year's worth of compound interest, because it changes to 5% per annum. So it's just going to be 1 plus 5. And it's 1 year's worth, so it's just to the power of 1, so I'm not going to show that. Okay. So just enter that here. So 13,266 multiplied by 1 plus 5%. And we get $13,929.30. Okay. Now, there's one little bit of detail there that we need to make note of. Go back to the question. It says immediately after the 7th contribution is made. That's only after 6 contributions. Okay, so we need to add the last contribution plus $2,000, and that's going to be equal to $15,929.30. Therefore, value of the annuity after the 7th contribution is $15,929.30.